Hey guys, welcome to the show. Today we're checking out this amazing craft, right? Engineers Works Sledgehammer. That's right, we're gonna be knocking down that disgusting tombstone. I'm the big bad wolf, and I just destroyed this little biggie's house. 3.6 kg of sledge. Do you reckon this will work? So this is how to take down one of these tombstone brick-in letterboxes. I'm excited.
Good luck.
Make sure you wear protection. I got my. Don't follow my guide. Just do a proper guide. Shall I just swing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Careful.
Which way?
Easy.
Down.
Good luck.
Yeah. Like
Across. Just do it.
I thought it would be easier.
So did I.
Alright, I think it's doing it.
You reckon?
Yeah. See, there's a crack forming at the top here. So you just keep whacking away. So the way I'm swinging it, I'm just letting the hammer and gravity do the work. See that? Oi!
Good luck.
Oi!
Oh, look at it, it's brick.
Yeah. Oi.
That's awesome. Well done.
So now, I'm driving a bit of power as I'm swinging down. But guys, make sure that you switch arms and positions because you don't want to get lopsided on the back. So I've been swinging like this. So I'm changing posture, I'm swinging like this. Right. Whew. This is fun. I'm not that good with my left hand. Maybe just start light when you're switching arms. Watch this.
Whoa.
Alright, you gotta try this.
I can't believe it's actually breaking. There's like bricks. Oh my god, it's heavy.
Hey!
Oh my gosh. It's got metal or something inside it. Oh yeah! I did it! That was fun! Oh man, that was so much fun. I actually feel worked up after that. My muscles feel pretty big. That was fun. That was awesome.
Goodbye, mailman. Almost got my foot. I like the sound it makes.
Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? Whoa! Yeah. Hey!
It's fun. Great exercise. I want to get this. Is that the letterbox?
Yeah,
Is it out?
almost. Just knock that last bit there.
Alright. Oh, we got it out. Yeah, it came out, the letterbox. There it is.
Yeah, I know, it came out ages ago.
Mail time's over. The good thing about one of these sledgehammers is that it does give you a bit of social distancing from the actual device. Whereas if you had to use a hammer drill, you have to get pretty close.
Oh.
Almost there. He's gonna take his second round. Round two. Whew. That's a good one. This guy's going swinging for it. So I'm following through with my hand now, getting a bit close.
Oh! Ay. Good day. This is the review.
Hard work, isn't it?
Hard work. Nope.
Still heavy. Had a few whacks. It's got some green on it somehow, but it still looks all right.
It's like Jenga.
This is the workout for 2021. Overhead's pretty good in me. Really does
Yeah.
good stomach workout. Feeling my abs really stretching out. My glutes really poking out.
Whoa.
Always changing stances.
Oh yeah. Look at that.
Interestingly, these bricks, they got holes. They got holes in the middle of them.
Maybe for the house. Oh.
This one is a great exercise because I'm having to squat to reach that bottom part because I want to swing it, swoop it in from below.
Way.
It's a good brick, this one.
Last level. Game over. Pew, 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 pew.
I told you this will be fun.
It's so much fun.
Pretty sure it's out. Yeah, I think I was just having too much fun. Basically, you just hit a few times from the top, destabilize it, and then you can kind of crumbles away. Yeah, it's all out. And the bottom layer is also a brick.
There's more.
Yeah, one more layer
Oh
of
God,
brick.
I thought it was finished.
I feel like I'm the big bad wolf and I just destroyed this little biggie's house. I have the hammer! Now, here we go. Game over.
Die, brick, die.
Alright guys, that was the review of the Craft Right Sledgehammer. This is a basic model, 3.6 kg. Perhaps maybe go for a heavier one to give you some assistance with the gravity, but overall we did manage to get the job we're our task to do. Just required a bit of brute strength, and don't be afraid of getting in there. My wife, she jumped in there and she did a few fly kicks and it also worked. And that was exactly how to tear down a brick in letterbox.